Theory of evolution and the development of ecosystems on Earth. The theory of evolution is one of the most significant scientific theories of all time, and it has had a profound impact on our understanding of the natural world. One of the key aspects of the theory of evolution is the idea that all living things are part of a complex web of interdependence, and that the development of one species can have a significant impact on the entire ecosystem. In this essay, we will explore the relationship between the theory of evolution and the development of ecosystems on Earth. The theory of evolution. The theory of evolution, first proposed by Charles Darwin in the 19th century, is based on the idea that all living things share a common ancestry and that species change over time in response to environmental pressures. This process of change is driven by natural selection, in which individuals with advantageous traits are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on those traits to their offspring. Over millions of years, this process of natural selection has led to the development of a vast array of different species, each adapted to its own unique environment. As species evolve and adapt to changing conditions, they can have a significant impact on the other species around them, as well as the larger ecosystem as a whole. The development of ecosystems. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms, along with the non-living components of their environment, interacting as a system. Ecosystems can range from small, simple environments, such as a pond or a forest floor, to large, complex systems, such as tropical rainforests or coral reefs. The development of ecosystems on Earth is closely tied to the process of evolution, as the interactions between different species are essential for the functioning of these systems. One example of the relationship between evolution and the development of ecosystems is the coevolution of predators and prey. As predators evolve to become more efficient at catching their prey, the prey species must evolve new defenses to avoid being caught. This can lead to a cycle of adaptation and counter-adaptation that can have a significant impact on the entire ecosystem. Another example of the relationship between evolution and ecosystems is the role of keystone species. Keystone species are species that have a disproportionate impact on their ecosystem, often by controlling the population of other species. For example, sea otters are a keystone species in kelp forests, as they help to control the population of sea urchins, which would otherwise overgraze the kelp and destroy the ecosystem. Impact on ecosystems. The impact of human activities on ecosystems cannot be overstated. Activities such as deforestation, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species can have a significant impact on the balance of ecosystems and the species that live within them. Climate change, caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, is also having a profound impact on the Earth's ecosystems, as species struggle to adapt to rapidly changing conditions. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting the diversity of life on Earth and maintaining the balance of ecosystems. This includes efforts to protect and restore habitats, as well as efforts to reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. In addition, efforts to combat the spread of invasive species and to protect endangered species are essential for maintaining the balance of ecosystems and preserving the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Another aspect of the relationship between the theory of evolution and the development of ecosystems on Earth is the concept of ecological niches. An ecological niche refers to the role that a species plays within its ecosystem, including its interactions with other species and its use of resources. As species evolve and adapt to their environment, They can occupy different ecological niches, which can have a significant impact on the balance of the ecosystem. One example of the importance of ecological niches is the relationship between pollinators and flowering plants.